Hello guys and welcome back. Today we are reviewing a solar charger. Let's go ahead, open this up, go over some details for you guys that love the details. This is a 25,000 mAh solar charger. Let's open this up. So they provide you with the USB cable. Oh, look how nice this is. Absolutely really nice. There's multiple colors that you can choose from. Open this up and you got multiple solar panels. You can close it for storage. You could just have this panel facing out as well. You got a light on the back here. Press and hold the power button. So it looks like we might have to charge this. You got two USB ports and the charging port. So I'm guessing, oh no, there we go. So you press and hold the power button, then you can tap it for different modes. So yeah, you just press and hold it, go through the modes. Let's go ahead and test this out. So right now there's no sun. We're gonna see if it will work with it being cloudy. Some solar chargers, power banks, they charge with it cloudy. Some have to have direct sunlight. So I'm gonna be very curious to test that out. You can charge this also with your wall outlet as well. You would just plug this in like this. And then plug this in any USB port and then you can charge your device. It doesn't have to be charged with solar, but that makes it handy if you're traveling or hiking and whatnot. So we're gonna go ahead and test this out. Alright, I am happy to say without any sunlight, it is charging. So as you guys can see, up there's the indicator light. So it is charging without any sunlight. So that is definitely a plus. Overall, it's really nice. The design is nice. I love it. It's going to work great. So if you're looking for a high-powered power bank that holds a lot of charge, this is definitely what you want. It's nice, compact, rugged. It's got a light. Overall, really nice.